Welcome back to Easy Learning with Palakshi, and today's our topic is English Grammar for Beginners. Tense Part 3, Future Tense. Future. First, simple future. Formation. Subject plus will or shall plus verb plus object. Will is used for every verb and shall is used only and only for I and we, and shall is more formal than will. Examples: the doctor will treat the patients. This is affirmative sentence. They will not play guitar. This is negative sentence. Will the doctor treat the patients? This is interrogative sentence. Will not the doctor treat the patients? This is interrogative negative sentence. Use of simple future. First, to talk about things which we cannot control, it expresses future as fact. Example: it will be Diwali in a month. Government will conduct all the pending exams soon. Second, to talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future. Example: I think schools will not reopen this year as well. Here, I feel, I believe this. Third, we can use this tense when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Example: it is raining. I shall take the umbrella. Here the word shall expresses that it is in future tense. Second, future continuous. Formation: subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: the doctor will be treating the patients. This is affirmative sentence. The doctor will not be treating the patients is negative sentence. Will the doctor be treating the patients is interrogative sentence. Will not the doctor be treating the patients is interrogative negative sentence. Use of future continuous. First, to talk about action which will be in progress at a time in the future. Example: this time tomorrow I will be traveling to Mumbai. Second, to, to, to talk about actions in the future which are already planned or which are expected to happen in the normal course of things. Example: I will be staying here till Sunday. He will be meeting us next week. Note, all the future tenses go in either simple present or in simple past. Simple present, will and shall comes in simple present and would comes in simple past. Note, if there is a conditional word in a sentence and will or shall is coming two times, then change one to the basic form. Example: Auntie will be calling the police if the party will continue. Your will is coming two times. And as per the rule, it is not allowed. So this is wrong. Auntie will be calling the police if the party continues. Here in this sentence, we remove will. So this is correct. Third, future perfect. Formation: will or shall plus have plus third form of verb. Example: the doctor will have treated the patients. This is affirmative sentence. The doctor will not have treated the patients. This is negative sentence. Will the doctor have treated the patients? It is interrogative sentence. Will not the doctor have treated the patients is interrogative negative sentence. Use of future perfect. First, to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. Example, I shall have got the government job by the age of 30. Fourth, future perfect continuous. Formation, subject plus will or shall plus been plus first from a verb plus ing plus object plus sense of form. Examples, the doctor will have been treating the patients since 8 o'clock. This is affirmative sentence. The doctor will not have been treating the patients since 8 o'clock. This is negative sentence. Will the doctor have been treating the patient since 8 o'clock? It is interrogative sentence. Will not the doctor have been treating the patients since 8 o'clock? Here it is not since, it is since. This is interrogative negative sentence. Use of future perfect continuous. First, used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Example, by next March, I will be studying in this school for 8 years. By 2020, I shall have been teaching in this industry for 10 years. Answer to the question. In the last video of past tense, I had asked you a question to fill in the blanks from for or since. So the sentence is, when I met her, she was studying in school dash 8 years. So here it will come for because for tells the duration of time. Since tells the specific point of time. For more details about difference between for and since, you can refer to my videos of present tense and past tense in English grammar for beginners. Now you know about future tense. In my next video, you will know about articles. Till then, thank you.